Welcome back, everybody, to Funky Star TV News Time. Ladies and gentlemen, every time the same kind of news continue to come out from our country when be the zoo. The same kind of news about the killer herdsmen. Different kind of groups now don't they come out, they join IPOB voice out to flush out the same herdsmen people when be the terrorists, when they come to terrorize our people in Biafran land. Other groups don't join. Even some mothers yesterday don't come and say all of them go naked. They don't give the date when they go naked in the whole Biafran land. Take protest against the government about the killer herdsmen. That one now for the women, Biafran women, everywhere in Biafran land. The news they there, and we go make that particular news in another of our segments. We go roll out that particular news about the Biafran women. But today, in this particular segment, now about IPOB, INC, ASUTE, others, real. We will flush out killer headers from Igbo land. Remember, see, when Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, start the campaign of flushing out the whole herdsmen from Biafran land. This group of people, for example, like INC, ASETU, and others, they never joined the campaign. But as time goes on, everybody continue to see, say, waiting Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, they preach nothing but the truth. Waiting for Kidi them, they preach nothing but the truth. Including the Ohaneze Ndigbo now, they don't even join their voice about the killer herdsmen. Say they don't need them again. Look at David Umahi recently. David Umahi come out, they cry in public. But anyway, if David Umahi own, we know who David Umahi be already, because he is still a Fulani servant till tomorrow. Even though say in the cry. Now, the Biafran people, like all these groups now, like I said before, they don't see say, man, water don't pass Gary. If they continue to fold their hands and continue watching these killer herdsmen destroying lives and properties, say you know go augur well with Biafran people again. They don't see say the matter they very, very serious. Since this last killing in Ebonyi and Enugu State, remember say one Efulefu guy when come from according to the news they tell us say the man na local government chairman of Abakaliki in Enugu State. The man don't come out, come they debunk say they not kill anybody in Enugu State. Say no fight between ESN, no fight between herdsmen and ESN people, and no gun battle between the ESN people and the army people. A news when a whole news platform like Sahara Reporters don't carry. Now the man, the Efulefu come debunk. News when the whole world don't carry. Now the Efulefu, because the man na still servant of the Caliphate people. Say nothing, so that we will remove our mind from Enugu. We no go ever remove our mind in any state of Biafran land. We no go ever remove our mind from any states in Nigeria there. Our eye must be there, shining like torchlight, every corner, every angle, 24 hours every day, 365 days a year. We know come out our eye anywhere or on the happenings in Nigeria. We are all there watching. So The news today they tell us say a lot of people don't join Mazi Nnamdi Kanu IPOB ESN. They say they must to flush out every single herdsman in Biafran land. And not forget, say, yesterday, the news tell all of us, say, in 17 states of Nigeria there, I mean southern states, the youths, they don't come out, can support Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Sunday Igboho once again, and Asari Dokubo for their struggle, meaning say the zoo will soon come to an end. Remember again, before, things like this never happened anywhere in Nigeria. Not 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 4 years ago, when we say in 17 states, ladies and gentlemen, the whole youths come out and say no, we dey behind Mazi Nnamdi Kanu because we know say wetin Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they tell us is nothing but the truth. Wetin Igboho they tell them is nothing but the truth. But don't forget say na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu opens Igboho eye to see. Because before Igboho was blind, but now he can see clearly to everything when it happens. That is why he say no, we don't need 2023. Wetin we need na Oduduwa of our own. But they still get some Yoruba saboteurs when they come out and say no, they're not supporting. All those people, ladies and gentlemen, now the criminals what we talk about. APC and PDP criminals in that one Nigeria. Now only them go say no. They must come to say no to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu voice, no to Igboho voice. But at the end of the day, they forget saying a majority, they win the vote. Now majority they win the struggle of freedom. Not be some few people. No. Like just the way they tell them all the time. APC and PDP people, including their supporters, whether they claim say they get. We know say that they fake their supporters. They are very, very minor people. They are the minor people in that country. People when want freedom. In Nigeria, they are the majorities. People when want leave that one Nigeria. But Channel Television go tell you say no, don't mind those people no. Then be few people no when they chant disintegration. They not gonna go come out talk. Then they come out one. We they see them now. So now majority when we need total freedom. We are not still free yet. We are still in bondage. APC and PDP bondage. They keep oppressing. They will never ever stop until we are free. And we are not going to stop until we are free. Even though say Biafra don't come, Oduduwa don't come, we go continue to they preach the gospel. We go continue to preach the gospel. The wound when these APC and PDP people don't give to us for so many years. The same thing whether they do. Battle is not yet end, ladies and gentlemen. So this is just the beginning of the battle, of the freedom. Every time when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu speak, then they hear, then they run helter scatter, then they hide, go strategize. But at the end of the day, now failure that they get. And they will continue to win. Nnamdi Kanu continue to win. He continue to lead and he continue to reign. Again, I say people, a lot of people don't come out. In 17 states, youths, they don't come and say no. Otherwise, everything they go put sand for APC and PDP Gary before 2023. So then the filler, APC and PDP, I say una the filler. The only thing where they take brag now this year Boko Haram and their herdsmen where they get, where they want to destroy Nigeria. But we are not going to allow these people to take an inch of any place in Biafran land. We are not going to allow these people to take any place in Biafran land again. And also in the south part of Nigeria when be Oduduwa nation. We hear say some people they go against Sunday Igboho. Of course, they go come against Sunday Igboho because they know say what Sunday Igboho they preach is the right thing and the right step. You know that those people when they say no, because you get some people when say there be Muslim organization, then be this and that in one or land, and the Oba for the man. When nobody know who him be, when be inconsequential in that country, when they already joined APC and PDP caucus. I mean, they are war for our land. When they claim say make anywhere when they reject Hesme, make them come, but then they killing people. So those people they claim say no, then they are war there. As a day or war, they're not going to allow Igboho to come or war, and then go defy Igboho when Igboho come. Now Muslim people again, remember say the problem when Nigeria get now Muslim people. The problem when Nigeria get now the Fulani people, and they are Muslim people. They are the caliphate people where we talk about. Anywhere where these people they are troublemakers. Anywhere where they like to destroy and they like to dominate. They like to oppress. And that oppression, we have already said no to these people. We are not discriminating. We are not resisting this platform. But now how we be, now so we preach. So nobody go fit shot Igboho. Nobody can shot Nnamdi Kanu. Nobody can shot ESN. No one can shot IPOB anymore. We move, ladies and gentlemen, to make we read, see waiting to happen with this IPOB, INEC, ASETU, and other people. Okay? IPOB, INEC, ASETU, others. Real. We will flush out killer herdsmen from Igbo land. That they tell you now. That they make it clear to FG, say they don't be ready to battle the battle with anybody when the sun come. To destroy Biafran land. They don't want them again. Make we read. Southeast Town Union revive local vigilante as ESN Lion War Squad move to Ebonyi. The indigenous people of Biafra IPOB National Council. The indigenous people of Biafra IPOB Igbo National Council INEC Association of Southeast Town Union ESUT and the traditional institutions in the southeast have vowed that the Igbo will defend their homeland and flush out murderous Fulani herdsmen from the southeast. In separate reaction to the recent massacre of innocent residents by suspected AK-47 winding herdsmen in Adani, Uzo, Unwani in Enugu State, as well as in Ishelu local government area of Ebonyi State, the groups vowed that never again would they allow their people to be killed mindlessly. Ohaneze Ndi Igbo had, while condemning the attack on Wednesday, assured the people that such senseless killing would not be allowed to continue. They have called on the Southeast governors to urgently inaugurate and activate regional security measures to enforce the ban on open grazing. The Apex Igbo organization also called for strict and emphatic implementation of the national and state laws against illegal occupation of land. Remember, say the Northerners, in fact, their own Efulefu governors don't claim say everywhere where herdsmen see made them take over because nobody get the land and nobody get the forest. In another man's hometown or home state, you will just go there take over the forest. Like say people they go the north go take over their forests. I don't tell them say Sambisa dey there, make them send them go there. Make them send all these Fulani herdsmen, when they wind their AK-47 in Biafran land, make them send them go Sambisa forests. Then get forest there, not in Biafran land. Saturday Sun authoritatively gathered that the IPOB leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has since deployed the ESN, known as the Eastern Security Network, to Ebonyi to protect the people of the state and also fish out those behind the Monday night attack that claimed over 25 lives in 3 Ishelu communities of Egbadende, Ogbegu, and Ama Usu. Now, you go wonder, see, if people they operate like this, like the indigenous people of Biafra, when be Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, in the direct, and people they hear his voice. This kind of man, if he handle Nigeria, that Nigeria go correct. All the whole nonsense things go correct. But the man say no, na Biafra ain't want. Okay. Where the governors dey now, that's to show you see the governors then they against you when be innocent person. The governor will not want to protect you. They don't want to call anybody for you. They don't want to make army or police come defend you. Their army when they get in the states, when all these things they happen, they support the Fulani people. That is the reason why the same Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the able leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, roll out the ESN to help people. Then the ESN now, when they help people, army they go attack them. In other words, the army, the AK, the police, all of them, any way you want to call them, DSS, all of them, now the terrorists when they terrorize Nigerian people. TV, God bless you. Bye.